Can you see the screen, all of you? Is it being shared? Which chapter is that? Share. Yes, Delicia. Yeah, tell me, Delicia. Attend soon. Class started. What? Yeah, join soon. Started the class. Or else you'll be missing revision. Okay. Yes, Anya, till what time you had science class? It's 7:20. 7:15. Okay, I'll just quickly revise this, students. Look here. Homework question, whoever has done it. From 7:15 to 7:30, I'll revise. 7:30 we'll start other topics. All of you have completed. Only Tony has sent, right? Tony, what did you send? Bhargavi, Tony, Kia. Only three. What about Ananya, Angel, Abigail, Anya? You didn't solve? No phone to send. Other students, Abigail, Angel? Okay, fine. Just check, student. Just go through. This, see, within half an hour you can complete. Not more than the within half an hour. It's very simple concept. Look at. Let me solve all the questions. Just go through the answers what you'll have done. See, last week I didn't give you a test. Back to back we had class. That's the reason I gave 5 to 6 questions to complete. Even that you all didn't send. Is Dia online? 21 py square. Okay, so we can't use a square minus b square, students. Even when we have two values, you can't use a square minus b square here. So first take 21 and 56. What is common to them? 3 sevens are, no, 3 doesn't go. 7 threes are, 7 eights are 56. Okay, 7 is common. Alphabets p is common, y is common. You get 3. 3y minus 8. This is the answer you all got. Just check. Is it correct? 7py, 3y minus 8. If you haven't done, no problem. Copy. Just learn, try out, do it. There are high chances of getting this question, same questions in test, exam. Fine. So if you have any doubts, just cross check, students. Multiply this. If you multiply what you get, 7 threes are 21. P into y is py square minus. When you multiply this, what do you get? 8 sevens are py. You're getting the question. Fine. So check once. If you're not sure enough, check. If you're getting wrong answer, redo that. First question done. Second question. X plus y the whole square minus 3 into x plus y. Here, before bracket, there is 3, nothing is common. Bracket, are the bracket values same? X plus y? Degree 1. Degree 1 is the least. Take x plus y common. In bracket, what do you get? X plus y into minus y plus y into x plus y minus 3 is the answer. Fine. So we have a lot of questions. We can't keep solving all the questions. Practice only these. Next. Next one. X square minus a minus 4 plus y square. 4 minus a is given. The bracket values are not same. So what are we supposed to do? If bracket values are not same, you shouldn't change the bracket. You have to change the sign here. Change the sign and values will automatically get changed. I mean, you put it like this: a minus 4. Okay, bracket will remain same. Next, a minus 4 is common. In bracket, you get x minus. Okay, this is incomplete. A minus 4 into what is a square minus b square? Into x minus y. Yes, x plus y into x minus y. This is how you solve. Ax plus by the whole square, bx plus cy the whole square. Right, next question. Three x minus 3y plus 6x square minus 6y the whole square. What is common in the first one, students? What do you get? 3 minus 5. Then here x square minus y square, right? You can pair them. You can even pair and do it. Actually, pairing is not required, students. You can directly try this. 3 into x minus y plus. Use a square minus b square here. What you get? Is Dia online? Not able to hear Dia's voice. X plus y into x minus y. X plus y into x minus y. And the 6 remains as it is. Now again we have two questions. What is common to them? Which is common? What about 3? You all missed the 3 into x minus y. 3 is also common, right? 3x minus y. In bracket, what do you get? For this, you get 1 plus divide. You get 2 into x plus y. If you haven't done it or if you got it wrong, make a note of this. Be quick. Open the bracket and solve the other part. 3x minus y into 1 plus 2x plus 2y is the answer. Like this. Or if you want to rearrange, how do you rearrange this, students? 3x plus 6x square minus 3y along with square. I'll even solve this. See, whichever you all want, you all can try. So 3x is common. What do you get? 1 plus. What do we get? 1 plus square. And minus 3y is common. Bracket. 1 minus. No, not 1 minus. Divide it. What are you answering, students? 1 minus it minus it plus 2y. Just a minute. Is Eileen online? Did you complete the homework, Eileen? Homework question? Okay, just cross check the answer. I'm doing the fourth question. Okay, this is the fourth question. Now tell me which is common, students. What is common here? 1 minute, 1 minute. No, that is not common. Eileen and Delisha, can you all see the screen? Both of you all? Okay. See, don't miss classes, students. Another 4 days. Don't miss any of the classes or homework. These 4-5 days are very important. Only revision. Okay, last Friday or Saturday or Sunday, I'll do circumference. Apart from circumference, we have completed all the chapters, right? Anything left? Okay. See, circumference will take 3 days. If I start circumference, we won't have time for revision. So only the important concepts I'll teach for circumference. We'll start revision. Next part. What is common here? 3 is common and x is given, y is given. So 3, you take 3 common. What do you get in the bracket, students? X into 1 plus 2x minus y into 1 plus 2y. See, it becomes complicated, right? We're not able to solve. Correct? So 1 plus 2x, 1 plus 2y, they're different. You don't have to rearrange. Who's this joining late? Okay. So don't rearrange the students. Fine, don't rearrange. The reason is, I'll tell you the reason. Look at the second part. Can you see the degree of x and y? What are the degree, students? For the first two, what's the degree? The degree is 1. For the next x and y, what's the degree? Degree is 2. So which formula can we use if the degree is 2? X square minus a square minus a square minus b square. That is what we use here. So don't shuffle. Just do it as it is. Solve as it is. This is the answer you get. 3 into xy into 1 plus 2x plus 2y. Completed? All of you got the same answer or different? Different? Why is it different? Did you all change the values and do it? Okay, ignore other things, students. Do it like this. Okay, don't rearrange and solve. Solve as it is. Let me check once again. 3, you get 2. X minus y is common. Okay, next question. Fifth one, I'll do it later. Sixth question. Can all of you quickly tell me the sixth one? Which concept we use here? So this 4, how do you convert this 16? Minus b square. So what's the 4a plus b into 4? In this, there are two more questions, two more types. I'll explain them. Now, 16a square, students. Fine. Next. Now, look here. Tell me all the values of square. What do you get? 1 square is equals to 1. 2 square is 4. Tell me only the final values. 1, 4, 9. What is 4 square? There is no 8. There is no 8. 15. 5 square is 25. 36. 49. 64. What is 64? The 8. Which one is 64? 8 square is 64. Next. Tell me for cube, students. What are the values for cube? 1 cube is 1. 2 cube is 3 cube. 4 cube. 4 cube. Can you see 64 is present twice? So there's only one value which is repeated for square and cube. That is 64. You should know how to make use of this 64. Okay. When it comes to cube, what is 64, students? 4 cube is equals to 64. When it comes to square, yes. When it comes to square, 8 square is equals to. So when it is square, which value will you convert? When it is square, will you use cube 4 or 8? Remember that 8a the whole square minus. Is this clear, all of you all? Next, for 64a cube, what should I write? 64a cube minus b cube. Then yes, this entire thing a cube minus, yes, 4a minus b, then 4a square, 16a square plus b square plus 4ab. This is the answer. We use a cube plus b, a cube minus b cube concept. Right? So they have given basic question. In exam, they might ask you all this. So you should know when to use 4 and when to use 8. Next question. Next one is 358. Okay, sorry, 385 the whole square minus 15 the whole square. They've already given square and square. There is minus, students. What is a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. 385 plus 15 into minus 15. 385 plus 15, 400 into 370. So total how many zeros do we have? Total how many zeros? First write those 3 zeros. Then multiply 37 into 4 sevens are 28. 4 threes are 12, 13, 14. What's the answer, students? 148. 148 triple zero is the answer. This is how you solve. So you'll get questions like this: a cube minus b cube. Remember, use direct formula: a plus b into a minus b. Next one. See, next one is very important: 4xy minus x square, and it is tough question as well: z square. You all may think that we can group, students, right? First 4 values are there. So what you'll think, you have to group it. When you group, do you think z has a value? Anything common in the second bracket? Nothing is common in the second bracket, right? Okay. Which value is different here? We have x and y. For x and y, there is a square. Which value is separate, different? Which doesn't have a pair? Yes, z square is separate. Right? So what you do, keep the z square as it is. Plus, is it plus or minus? Okay, keep plus z square as it is. Now, tell me the answer for x minus y the whole square. What's the answer, students? A minus b the whole square. What is a minus b the whole square? A square plus y the whole square minus 2y into x. X square plus, fine, I'll do it. I'll write 4y square. 4y square minus 2 2s are 4. 4xy, right? 4xy. Now, I don't know whether the question what they've given is right or wrong. Fine. Now, what I'll do is I'll take minus, students. I'll take minus outside. I'll take minus common. Then this x square will become negative. If I take x minus outside, remember, just change all the signs. What happens to x square? It becomes minus x square. 4y square becomes 4y square, and next plus 4xy. Can you see this? Right? This part. Isn't it the same? Yes or no? Isn't it the same for x square? So remember this question. You don't have to think much. Remember the value for this is x minus 2y the whole square. X minus 2y the whole square. Okay, I'll tell you. I'll tell you the short trick to remember this. X minus 2y the whole square is the answer. Minus. Okay, just minus x minus 2y the whole square. Fine. This part you can just ignore this part. I'll tell you the reason for this. Look, in this question, z doesn't have a pair. So keep z as it is. Fine, it doesn't have a pair. What you do, shift it in the left hand side, student, z square. Fine. Then this entire thing, shift it on the right hand side. Plus 4xy minus x square minus 4y square. Okay, this part. 4x square xy. This is the next one. Now, just take x square and y square. In x square, you take x whole square and this 2y. How do you Shift this 4y, students. How you make it a perfect square? 4y square. How can you write it? How can we write it? Yes, tell me 2y the whole square, right? Can you see here we have x square and 2y the whole square? So definitely both are square, right? These are square. So, so definitely it is going to be either with minus 2y whole square. Out of these two, any one concept, students, any one formula. So remember like this, any one formula. Now z square is given. Z as a square here. If z as square, we use a square minus b square concept. If you want a square minus b square, you can x plus 2y. Now let me take plus. So we know it is definitely going to be x plus 2y the whole square or x minus 2y the whole square. Just write this, open the bracket. What do you get for this, students? X square plus 4x square plus 4xy, right? For the second one, what do we get? Tell me for the second one, students. X square plus 4y square. No, no, plus 4y square. What is a minus b the whole square? A square plus b square minus 2ab, right? What is 2ab, students? What is 2ab here? 2 into x into, that is minus 4xy. Okay, minus 4xy. Now look here. These two are positive. These two are positive. Only one is negative. Fine. These two are positive. Only one is negative. We'll take this equation. This. So you write x square plus 4y square minus 4xy. Just take here. Minus 4xy. Fine. These two, students. Now look at the bracket, compare the values. In this bracket, what do we have? Do we have plus 4xy or minus 4xy? Plus 4xy. So we'll try to convert both. Look here. We'll try to convert both. Here it is plus 4xy. Okay, we have plus 4xy, students, and we have two equations here. So we have a doubt whether to use x plus 2y the whole square or x minus 2y the whole square. Now try to convert the sign for this. When you try to convert, you take minus outside. What happens to x square? No, no, no. Minus x square minus 4y square, then minus 4xy. When you open the bracket, are we getting the same value? Just open the bracket and check what you get. You get everything positive. Tell me for this, students. Let me take minus outside. X square becomes minus x square plus 4y square becomes, then minus 4xy becomes. So which of these two equations are similar to this question? The first one or second one? Which one? The first or? So this is a tough question. Don't know, they might give it in midterm or final exam. Okay, okay. So tell me which of these two formulas it is similar to the one given in bracket, students. Yes, which one? This one or this one? Inside the bracket, look at the signs. Second one? Yes, second one, right? The second one. Yes. Now let me use the second one. See, you can directly use x minus 2y the whole square. Even that I'll tell reason. Why not this first one? You have to use the second one. So minus 2y the whole square When you take minus common, you get minus x square minus 4y square plus 4xy. Fine. So in bracket, we just need this, students. We just need this minus is given, right? Shift this minus to the other side. Now tell me what's the value you get for minus x square minus 4y square plus 4xy. What do you get? What's the value? Minus x minus 2y the whole square. So what do you replace this value, students? What do you replace this value? This entire value should be replaced with which one? By which one we need to replace? Minus x minus 2y the, yes, minus x minus 2y the whole square. Look here. In, in place of that, let me write minus x minus 2y the whole square. Okay, right hand side you can just ignore. That is just for you all to understand. Right hand side, whatever we have done, just ignore all this. I'll tell you the reason. I'll tell you reason and what to write directly if you get such questions. Okay. Next. That is what I've replaced. Now I've replaced the value minus x minus 2y the whole square. Now z square, when you open the bracket, minus into plus is minus x minus 2y the whole square. How do they look like now? Which formula can we use here? Doesn't it look like a square minus b square? What is a, student? What is a here? A is z, and what is b? B is x minus 2y. The entire thing which is there in the bracket, x minus 2y is b. If you haven't understood, I'll tell you how to do it directly. Now, what is a plus b into a minus b? Z plus x minus 2y into what is a minus b? Yes. When you open the bracket with z minus 2y into z minus x plus 2y. Okay, this is the answer. This is how you solve. Now look here, I'll tell you how to do it directly. Yeah, yeah. X minus 2y the whole square. Here, yeah. The short trick is a square minus b square. What you'll get. Let us check with that. Your doubt is whether we can use x minus y the whole square, right? What is x minus y the whole square? Tell me, what is x minus y the whole square? You're again going back to this question. I'll right? When you open the bracket, you're going in the backward direction, right? So we have to use a square minus b square. Complete this, students. Look here, I'll tell you what to write. So which one is different here? Stop writing, don't write. Which is different in the first line? Which alphabet is different? Z square, take Z square. Always stick on to this, student. Any question, use this method. Write Z square first. Minus. The other question, in other question, which one has degree 2? What are the two values which has degree 2? X and y square. So take that as x plus x square minus, how do you write 4y the whole square? How do you write it inside the bracket? 2y the whole square. So just take these two values. And what are the signs present here? How many times we have minus here, students? How many minus? Y, right? Which means it is definitely x minus 2y the whole square. That's it. Just write x minus 2y the whole square. You don't have to explain each and everything. This is how you do it. Whatever I explain those concepts, just ignore all that. Put x z square first, and you can straight away write like this. Ignore all the steps. Look here, I'll tell you. Z square, then put minus x is given 4y. 4y you convert into 2y. X minus 2y the whole square. Okay, then start just directly use x a square minus b square concept. A square minus b square. A plus B into A minus B. Is this clear? Did you understand how to change the value, students? You all with that? Okay. All that explanation part, just ignore that because this is the toughest question. Entire factorization, D step. The another two questions, I'll solve that using same formula. All of you are done, completed with this z square, a square minus b square, a square minus, writing it, respond here. Abigail, did you ask your teacher the question which you asked me? Didn't ask her. Okay, she had given some question, right? What about Ananya, Angel, Tony? Did you all submit the project assignment? Formula students, formula test. Did they conduct formula test today? Fine, you'll have time then. Revise. Revise the same thing. Yes, Kia done. Just three steps. Okay. See, the last one we did yesterday, students. Which formula we used for the last one? Last question. 1 by 27 a cube minus 1 by 125 b cube. A cube minus b cube. How do you write this? A divided by 3 the whole cube minus b divided by 5 the whole cube. Use a minus b. A cube minus b cube formula. Yes. A by 3. What's the answer you'll get? It's the same. It's the same. 1 by 3 a the whole cube. It's the same, right? I'm just multiplying. Yes, here both are same. 1 into a is a by 3, right? Write it directly like this, student. Instead of writing 1 by 3, you can write a by 3 the whole cube. So what's the formula for a cube minus b cube? A minus b cube, b square, b square plus a. Yes. Okay. Now use this formula and substitute. You'll get the answer. A by 3 minus b by 5. Why? Minus. We are using minus. So the first bracket will always be minus Kia. Look at the formula. Okay. Next. A square is given. A square, take the value of a square by 9 plus b square by 25 plus what? Multiply a into b, ab by 50. Okay, a cube and b cube, all those formulas are already given. We have done that. Okay, that's it. We have completed this, and there are a few more questions in factorization. Look here, just quickly go through. Yesterday we solved this, right? Whenever there are three terms, you know all this question how to solve. Multiply the first, second, First, last. See, sometimes you'll get question like this, students, where there are two values. Where is it? 19th question. X square, y square minus 12xy minus 45. Don't get confused. It's the same concept. Multiply the first and last. What you get? Minus 45. What are the factors of 45? 1 minute, 1 minute. Are we getting 12 if you take 1 into 45? Then 3 into, are we getting the value? So look here. Enough, students. You all don't write anything. I'll teach you. I'll tell you all. Now there are a few questions which I'll tell. Just write it down. See, first thing and last value, keep it as it is. 3 and 15. Let me write 3, 15. What are the alphabets along with 12? XY. Write the same thing, XY. Now what sign is given before 12? Minus. Where should I put minus? Before 3 or 15? Which is greater? 15. If what sign should I put before 3? So that 12 plus. This is the answer. Group it like this. Okay, let me complete. XY is common, you get XY plus 3. Minus is the first sign. 15 common. Again you get XY plus 3 as the answer. The answer is XY plus 3 into XY minus. It's the same concept, just by looking at the degree, don't get confused. Take the first and third one, multiply and solve it. Is this clear? Shall we try the next one? Okay, important questions we are done. Just the remaining ones I'll make you all solve. Whatever is different. Other things are same. You might not get these tough questions. I'll solve one question here, 24. See, this one is important. From 25, everything is cancelled, right? From 25. What about 23 and 24, students? Do you allow 23 and 24? 22. Just quickly check your textbook. 20. I think 24 onwards it's cancelled. Okay. Look at 22nd. Before the 20th question. What is 20th? Other things I'll skip. Don't have to practice. It's the same thing whatever we solve. Look at the 20th question. 2x minus y square. First bracket is given, right? Open this bracket, students. What do you get when you open the bracket? Minus y square. Do you love this question? 2x square minus xy minus, what is that? Is it different now? Multiply the first and last. There are three terms. Multiply first and last. What do you get? Minus 2x square. See, there are three terms, students. There's no other option. You can't use a square, b square. Nothing can be done. Now, what are the factors? So 1 into 2. That's the only option, right? So 2x square. Take 1. What are the alphabets you have to write? xy. And here 2xy. Correct? Which, which sign should I put? Before xy there is minus. Where should I put minus? Before 1 or 2? 2. Then before 1, what should I write? So those who are attended regular, you might remember all these rules, students. And others, I don't know. Okay. The last moment it is tough. Next, what is common? X is common. You get 2x plus y. Minus is common here, y. Again, you get 2x plus. So 2x plus y into x minus y is the answer. Yes, complete this. And no more revision on factorization. This is the last one. Completed. Complete another two questions. I'll teach that. Okay, all of you completed? Done? Two y. Okay, see the last part, students, the last one, these two things you all can practice later. 20th is done. 22nd, 23rd. For final exam, they'll definitely give midterm. Don't think they might give. See, 22nd, 23rd. Let me take 22nd. 5 into 3a plus b the whole square plus 6 into 3a plus b minus 8. What is common to them? But 3a plus b is not present here, right? It's not given. So this type of question, only these two are different. Only these two are different. Look at the 22nd and 23rd students. 22nd, 23rd. In 23rd, which is common? For the first two, which is common in 23rd question? 2a minus b. Now I'll tell you how to solve. When you come across such question where there are three terms, how many terms are there total? Total how many terms? Three terms. Then what you do? Whatever is given in this bracket, 3a plus b, assume it as x. Or yes, assume it as x. Let 3a plus 2b, 3a plus b be x, students. So what should I write here? In place of that, what value should I write? Whole square. Yes, 5x whole square plus minus 8. Now did we get three terms? We got? Okay. Now multiply this, what you get? Minus 40 x square. Split this into 2 so that you get 6. What are the combination? 1 into 40, 2 into 4 into, does it give 6? Does it give 6? So what should I write here? 5 square, 4x, x minus 8. Where should I put this plus? Before 10. And what should I put before so that you get 6 minus? Now group it. Don't write it, students. Don't write until I explain. Keep it as it is. You can write it like this, or minus 4x and 10x is given. Instead of this, let me write 10 and 4. 10x plus 10x minus 4x. Why did I write 10 and 4 in this way, students? Can you tell me the reason? Because it is common. 5 and 4 is common, right? Correct. Now let me take common values. Group it. What do you get? 5x, x plus 2. Next, minus 4, x plus, what's the answer? 2 into 5x minus 4. Okay. Anything common apart from this? Anything common? Yes, unmute and answer, student. Anything common here? Nothing, right? Now the last part is just substitute the value of x. That will give you the answer. This is not the final answer. Now you have to write the original form here. In place of x, what should I write? 3a plus b plus, again 5 into, what should I write? 3a plus b minus 4. 3a plus b plus 2. Open the bracket. I've just replaced the value of x. That's it. Just replace the value of x. When you open the bracket, you get 15a plus 50b minus 4. If you'll have textbook, can you just check this answer, students? Whoever has textbook, can you check this 22nd question 4D? It's right. Okay. Any one of you just keep a bookmark on the answers page as we solve. Just make a note. Any doubt in this? Did you understand how to solve? Just replace the value of x. So don't copy, students. You all try it. Do it on your own. Only this part I will show. The rest you all have to try. Later replace the value of x. Fine. This entire week I'll conduct up to 9 students. Up to 9 o'clock I'll conduct. Completed. All of you are done. 5 with 3a minus b. Dia done. Delicia, Dia, are you online? What about Anya? No, only worried about these 3 students, Delicia, Anya and Dia. Other students, I've seen their test, homework, the way they write. These 3 students, I don't know what you all are writing. Fine. Try the next one, student. Next one, you can complete it for homework. Just tell me what I have to write for the next question. 23rd question. 3 into 2a minus b the whole square minus 19 into 2a minus b plus 28. What should I replace? X. Don't write whole square is equals to x. Just this is equals to x. So it becomes 3 into x square minus 19x plus 20. Multiply these two. 84. 84x cubed. Now, what are the factors, students? 1 into 84. 2. Okay, let me write. You try it for homework. 1 into 84. Look at the screen. All of you. Stop writing. 1 into 84. 2 into 42. 3 into same 28, right? 3 into 28. 4 into 21. 5 doesn't go. 6. 6 into 6 ones are 6. 6 fours are 24. Are we getting 19 for 6 and 14? Are we getting 19? What is 6 and 4? How will you get 19, Bhargavi? Whatever I write, is it correct? What about 7? 7 into what? 7 into what gives 84? Bhargavi, 6 and 4 will give you 20. Okay, it's not 19. What about 7, students? Yeah. 7 into 12. For this, are we getting 19 when you add them? 7 into 12. Okay, till here I have done. Remaining, you all have to complete and submit. I mean, send it. Okay, till here I have told you what to do. Later, the next part you all have to complete. Try everything, then at last substitute this x is equals to 2a minus b value. Okay, then you don't have to practice anything, students. It's the same, plus minus. I think we have done most of the questions we have solved. Similar pattern. Just make a note of this. And try it for homework. Tomorrow at 7:15 I'll solve this. 7:15, as soon as you log in, I'll solve. Completed. I will made a note. See, ignore all this. 7 into 12. We just need 7 into 12. Just ignore all this part. Take 7 and 12. Yes, students, done. Only the first two steps. Other, yeah, don't solve now. Stop solving. Don't do it now. Do it for homework. Okay, look here. That's it. First exercise. Just go through the questions. Whenever there is bracket, open the bracket. Solve that first exercise. Okay. All the questions I have solved, students. Did you all maintain notes, tuition notes? All the questions? Yeah, 4 and 4b, they just go through that. See, even 4b is a square minus b square. There are a lot of questions. Okay, one question I'll solve in this 4a square minus b square, which is getting repeated. This question. See, we know what to do when a square and b square is given. 9x plus a the whole square minus 4x the whole square. Now, which one has square, students? Is 9 a perfect number? Perfect square number? How can I write 9 after it as 3 square? No, no, yes, 3 square like this. Minus here, what can I write? 2x the whole square. Now, can you see this square and square is common to both? It's common. So now, take the common value out, x plus a like this. Minus 2x the whole square. Now, multiply this 3 inside. What do you get when you multiply 3 inside? X plus 3 the whole square minus 2x whole, right? This is how you solve. A plus b into a minus b. That is 3x plus 3a plus 2x. A plus b. A minus b. 3x plus 3a minus 2x. What are the common values, students? What are the common values here? 3x plus 2x is 5x plus 3a into x plus. There is nothing common. This is how you solve the question. Remember, 9 is given. If you have understood this, which question was this? This is 10. Try the 11th one. All of you will try the 11th. First complete this, try the 11th. I'll give break. After that, we'll start trigonometry. And that day when I took special class, did you all understand Bhargavi, Tony, Delicia, those who attended trigonometry? Oh, no, no. That is previous. Here, you know that was already there. Wanted you are asking. Tomorrow you have school, right? Okay, complete it. 5x plus 3a into x plus 3a. And Kia, did you go through the recording? You had missed 3 classes, 3 or 4. Oh, frequency is important, students. Try the 11th one. You all try to multiply the 11th one. See, if you have understood, you can just skip these two, students. You can skip these 2 steps. You can straight away write it like this. If you have understood the concept. Four, five. Okay. Okay. So you can directly straight away multiply this 9, student. How do you write 9? We write 3 square, right? 3 square. So straight away just multiply 3 inside both. Only the first step will write. If you can directly multiply 3b, 3 2s are 6a the whole square minus 2a the whole square. Don't write 4a the whole square. You have to convert the 4. 4 into 2a the whole square. The students done. What is a plus b into a minus b? Plus 2a. 3b plus a minus. Then what are the like terms? 3b plus 8a. Here 3b plus 3b plus 4a. All of you are completed. What's the answer? Y minus 4a. 6a minus 2a is 6 is greater, right? Greater 4a. Fine, students. Take break. We'll continue at 8:25. Okay, so we start trigonometry revision. All of you online? Fine. Next, trigonometry students. First exercise will complete. Second exercise tomorrow. Okay, Delicia, Anya, online. Dia, Tony, others. Fine. Look at this, students. Right angle trigonometry. We use right angle, right? What are the 6 trigonometry ratios we have? Tell me in order. Order. Sin theta, sin cos, cot, sec, cosec theta. What is sin formula, students? Perpendicular by cos, tan. Take the first one and the second one, the first value, perpendicular by base. Then these are the reciprocal values. Look at them. They are one pair. So for sine, it is perpendicular by hypotenuse. What will be for cosec? Perpendicular. For sec, yes, hypotenuse by base. For cot, perpendicular. These are the formulas. Base by perpendicular. Now, when I take a value, there's only one theorem we use here. Which theorem? For right hand, Pythagoras theorem. Which is hypotenuse here? Hypotenuse is always opposite which? Yes, 90-degree, right angle. So what is Pythagoras theorem? AC square is equals to AB square plus square. Very good. Next. Other two values are missing. A and C is missing. For A and C, hypotenuse is fixed, students. Remember, any diagram, hypotenuse is a straight line or slanting line. Look at the diagram and tell me. Hypotenuse, is it straight or slanting? Remember, it is always slanting. Okay. Hypotenuse will always be slanting. And that is the greatest side, longest side of a right angle triangle. Perpendicular and base will vary. depend on the angle we choose. So look here. Hypotenuse is opposite to right angle, opposite to 90 degrees. Next. Perpendicular and base. And one more thing, hypotenuse is the slanting line, not the straight line. It's a slanting line. Next we have perpendicular and base. Perpendicular and base will vary according to the angle we choose. Now let me take angle A, students. Angle A. For angle A, which side is opposite? Which side is opposite? So opposite, we also call it as perpendicular. What's the other meaning for perpendicular? Opposite, students. Can you see P and P? Two P's. In opposite also we have two P. Right? Yeah, remember like this. So that will become perpendicular. So for angle A which is perpendicular, students. Yes, this is perpendicular. Then what is base for angle A? AB is the base. This is for angle A. Next, angle C. Tell me which is opposite to angle C? AB. So which is perpendicular to angle C, student? Perpendicular. Perpendicular. BC will be the. Is this clear? Well understood? Okay. Next. This is the main concept. We'll start solving the questions. See, I'll solve. I'll solve for first 5 minutes. I'll solve few questions and I'll give time for you all to do it. First question, it is very simple. They have given so many values here: sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, all this thing. Fifth question, cot y, students. I'll tell you how to solve. Cot y. Y is in which diagram? Y is in which diagram? Second diagram. Can you see y is given? First, tell me what is cot formula, students. What is cot formula? Base by perpendicular. So in second diagram, y is given. In second diagram, which is hypotenuse? N is hypotenuse. For y, which is perpendicular, students, which is perpendicular? Perpendicular is opposite. M is perpendicular, then which is base? B. What's the answer? B by M. Solve one question. I want you all to solve two questions. Tan Z, sin X. Complete these two. I've solved one question. You can directly write B by M as the answer. Don't need to write the formula. B by M is the answer. Solve sin X, tan Z. Your alphabets are given, that's the answer. If numbers are given, write numbers, that will be the answer. Yeah. What is sin X, students? X is in which diagram? First, second, or third? First angle. What is sine formula? Perpendicular by. For angle X, what is perpendicular? Which is hypotenuse? Which line is slant? Ah. Next, tell me for tan Z. What is tan? Yes. For angle Z, which is perpendicular? U. U by base. K is answer. U by K. Second question I'll skip. It's easy. Third question we'll do it. For second question, AC is missing. What's the formula we apply? Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? AC square is equals to. Remember, always hypotenuse, students. Remember this. Hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base. Okay, these are the two formulas we have. Next. Ignore, skip the second one. Don't have to practice. Second, it's the same sine cos. We'll do the third one. Again, third one, which side is missing for the third one? AC is missing. What is Pythagoras theorem? See, and I've seen many students making this mistake. If AC is missing, they'll directly write AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Is it correct? This is the major mistake they do. If you'll write this, definitely zero students. You won't be able to solve the answer. Even if AC square is missing, this is not Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem? Which is hypotenuse here? Square is equals to AB square plus AC square. Okay, try one question. Try this. Apply Pythagoras theorem, find AC. Seventeen square is equals to 15 square plus AC square. Keep AC square as it is. Don't shift that. Convert this. Yes, Kia. Kia. Anya, right? Yeah, tell me, Anya. Arabic class. Fine, Anya. This remaining 15-20 minutes, what will you do? Pythagoras. Fine, I'll upload. You just watch the recording. You can leave, Anya. Or you can leave. What is AC, student? Square root of 289 minus 225 is? Okay. So do it step by step. You'll get 289 minus 225. Square root of 54. That is 8. Okay. Now quickly find all the answers. First four answers you will try. Sine B. All of you got this 8 as the answer. Understood all? For sine B, students, what is sine formula? Sine perpendicular by hypotenuse, right? For sine B, which is perpendicular? For B, which is perpendicular? Yeah. So don't write. Yeah, you can, if you want, you can write AC by BC or write that answer direct. 8 by what is hypotenuse? 17. In the same way, complete the first four. The last two I'll teach. Tan B cos C. What is tan B, students? What is tan formula? Base. What is perpendicular? 8 divided by base is 50. So cos C. Now from C point of view, from C angle, what is cos formula? Base by hypotenuse. If you want, write it in bracket. Write the formula. What is base from C? For C, what is base? 15 or 8? 8. 15 will become perpendicular, opposite. 8 by 7. And what is cos? Cot C, cot formula is one more thing. Where is that? It is got sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, cosec. Each and every time, students, instead of writing like this, can you see tan and cot? These are the only thing which has t in it, right? Out of all six trigonometry ratio, only these two has t, which means they are reciprocal values. If you want cot, just memorize sine cos. That is enough. What is formula for sine? Yes, perpendicular. Look at, I'll tell you how to remember. Perpendicular by hypotenuse. What is cos? That's it. Remember these two. If you want to find tan, take the first from both. What's the answer? Perpendicular by. As I told you all, only tan and cot has t in it. So what is the opposite of cot? Tan. We know tan formula. What is tan? Perpendicular by. But cot will be what? Reciprocal. Base by perpendicular. Next, sec and cosec. Can you see the word in cos and sec? The C and S, first and last, right? They are interchanged, right? Cos and sec, first and last. So even without writing this, you can remember cos is base by hypotenuse. The reciprocal of cos is sec. Next, the other two left is sine and cosec. So definitely they will be reciprocal, sine and cosec. Okay, base by perpendicular. What is base by perpendicular for cot C? What's the answer, students? 8 by, that's it. Now, what if they ask you cot square C, students? This is the question. What is cot square C? What's the degree we have? 2. What are you supposed to do here? Square. Square. The answer is 64 by 220. That's it. If it is square, square and find the answer. If it is cube, cube it. You're going to get the same answer. Okay. Next. Can you see this? Sin B into cos. What is sin B, students? Sin B is, take the values. We already completed. What is sin B? 8 by 17. Into what is cos C we got? What is cos C? 17 plus. I'm doing the fifth one. What is cos B, students? From B, what is cos B? 15 by 17 plus. What is sin B into sin C is? When you multiply this, you get 64 divided by 289 plus 225 divided by 280. Denominators are same. 289. 64 plus, if you add them, you'll get 289. 289 plus 289, you get 1. So 6. Here you have sec square C minus tan square C. That you all can try later. Just square it. Okay, let me complete that as well. Find this last one, students. Try the last one. What is sec value? Hypotenuse by base. What's the formula? Answer 17 by, for C, students, for C which is base. Next, for tan C, perpendicular by base, which is perpendicular 15 by 8. Completed. 17 square. Try this. Yes, subtract. Subtract 24 minus 225. 64 divided by 64, right? Answer is 1. Okay. So that's it. Just remember this, students. The next question is for homework. Try only one question. Skip all the questions. Only the fourth one. How many right angle triangles are given in the fourth question? 2 right angles. Look at, I'll tell you the reason. Here we have B, we have C. Which is a straight line? Can you tell me which is a straight line here? AD. What did I tell you all? If you just place a protractor here, a straight line will give what, which angle? 90. So if this side, if it is 90, what about other side? 90. So here they didn't indicate. Even this is 90 degree. We have two 90 degree angles. Okay, we have two 90 degrees. Yeah, Island, when did you leave? 3, 4, 5. Fine. So the first triangle, students, we have two triangles. Which triangle will you all use? First one. Why? What's the reason why first triangle? There are two values given, right? Very good. So use the first triangle. What do you get? A, B, D, 5 centimeter and 13. Apply Pythagoras theorem, you'll get the value of 80. Yes, 12. If you get 12, you write 12 here, 16. Apply Pythagoras theorem for the next one. What do you get? Okay, you'll get 20. So it is two separate questions. Split the diagram into two parts. Apply Pythagoras theorem. Find all this answer. Will you find all this for homework? Only the fourth one. Next. From fifth one to 14 students. From 5 to 14, all the form questions are same. Look at fifth one. From 5 up to 100. From 5 to 17, from 5 to 16, all the questions are same. Okay, 5 to 16, everything is same. I'll just teach you all two questions in this. Fine. The first one, I'll just teach all the format, students. What's the fifth question given? They have given us sine theta is equals to what? 1 by root 2. And what do we need to find? No, no, no. Sine is all. Bhargavi, sine is already given. What we what are the things you have to find, students? Other trigonometry ratios. Now total how many trigonometry ratios we have? 6. In that sine is given, right? So we need to find cos, tan, cot, secant, cosec. So you should know all the formulas, students, all the formulas of this. Now look here, very simple question. Sine theta is given. So what you do, we don't need diagram for this. Don't draw diagram. Without diagram you can solve. What is sine formula? Tell me sine. Hypotenuse is equals to 1 by root 2. First step. Compare this. What is perpendicular value? 1. What is hypotenuse value? Root 2. We need three things. In trigonometry, we need three things. What are the three things? Perpendicular, base, and what is missing here? What is missing? So there's only one formula. That formula, the common formula is h square is equals to p square plus. Any question, use only one formula, students. Don't need diagram. You won't get any marks for diagram. So first step, convert the formula. Second step, check what is missing. Third step, write the formula. Now tell me what is h square? Root 2 the whole square plus. Keep b square as it is. Keep b square, shift this to the other side. What is root 2 the whole square? Root and 2 will get cancelled. 2 minus 1 is equals to 1. So did we get all the three values? Let us find the value, students. Sine value is already given. We don't need sine value. What is sine value? Already they have given, right? What is sine? 1 by root. 1 by root 2. Tell me cos. What is the formula? Yes. What is base by hypotenuse? 1 by. 1 by root 2. Others, can you unmute and answer? Is Angel online? Angel, Tony, are you all replying? Delicia, Angel, Tony, Kia. What about Kia? Is Kia online? Kia, can you unmute the call? Oh. Can you only few students answering? 1 by root 2. Next, what is tan, students? Tan is perpendicular by is 1 by 1. 1 by 1 is 1. What is cot? Yeah. Now you don't need to write formulas to just reciprocate. If cos is 1 by root 2, what is sec? What is reciprocate of cos? Root. That is just root 2. What is the reciprocate? Is this clear? Understood all of you all? Yeah, just make a note of this first question. If you have understood, I want you to try one question. That is, okay, look here. So before that, students, tan sixth question, how many values you have to find for the sixth one? Everything. Seventh one for seventh, all. But for eighth question, how many values you have to find? For eighth one only cos and tan. Now seventh one, before solving the seventh one, what is seventh one given, students? Cosec theta is equals to, what is cosec formula? What's the first step we do? Right? Cosec. Yeah. What is cosec? Hypotenuse by root 10. We know hypotenuse is root 10, but perpendicular is missing. If denominator is missing, what do we take? Take it as 1. So I want you to solve the seventh question. Okay, seventh question. Is this clear? All of you are understood? How to solve? So yeah, don't need diagram. Try this, and I want you all to solve the seventh question. I'll give you all 5 minutes time. Complete it. If denominator is not given, take it as 1. Is students done? Completed? What is base? 1 square plus p square. It is equals to 10 minus 1 root 9, right? Root 9 is 3. So we have base as 3. Did you find all the answers here? Substitute and find the answer. That's it. Okay. Check the answer later. Now only one question is different here. That is, out of all the questions, look at the 11th one. What is given 11th one? 13 sine theta is equals to 5. And can you see they have given an equation? You have to substitute and find the answer. Right? How do you solve this question, students? We don't need 13 here. Where should I substitute? You have to divide it by 5. Okay, and it's the same type. Use the same concept. Once you get all the values, shift it in sine, cos, tan, you'll get the answer. Any doubts in this? Do you have any doubts? Okay, only one question I'll solve. See, even the 14th one is the same. I want you all to try this one for homework, 14th one. Other things just ignore. 2 questions for homework, 14th one and this question, 4th and 14th. Mark the question, students, 4th one and 14th one. Okay, 16th one is also same. 4 cot is given, bring down the cot. Cot theta is 3 by 4, 16th one. Only the 15th one I'll solve, 15th question. Look at 15th. Cot theta is equals to Q by P. See, except the 15th question, for all the other questions, they have given numbers, right? For all the other questions, they have given numbers. Except the 15th one. In 15, they are given P by Q. You have to show what? You have to show that P into sine theta minus Q into cos theta divided by P into sine theta plus Q into cos theta is equals to what, students? Is equal to P square minus Q square and P square plus Q square. Last question. Within 2 minutes, I'll try to complete. All of you look at the screen. Last question, 15th one. The remaining will continue tomorrow. Now cot, use the same concept. Cot theta is given. What is cot theta formula? What is cot theta, student? Base by perpendicular. What is base? What is value? Base is equals to Q. Perpendicular P is equals to P, right? What is missing? H is missing. What's the formula, students? H square is equals to? Okay. Now tell me what is H? P square, isn't it P? P is the same, right? P square. What is B? Q square. From H, yes, from H, the square root goes to the other side. What do you get? Square root. Who's laughing? Delicia, mute the call, concentrate here. Is this clear, students? Did you all understand for hypotenuse what we got? Square root of P square plus Q square. Let's substitute P into, what is sine theta formula, students? What is sine theta? Tell me what is sine theta. Hypotenuse perpendicular by? What is perpendicular? P. What is hypotenuse we got, students? What is hypotenuse? Square root of P square plus Q square minus Q into, what is cos formula? Tell me what is cos. Base by hypotenuse. What is base we have? What is base? Q. Hypotenuse is P square plus Q square divided by same concept, P into P square root of P square plus Q square plus Q into square root of P square plus Q square. Complete it till here. Be quick. Complete it till here. That's it. We are done almost. Only 2 steps left. We need to prove it, students. We need to prove we have taken the left hand side. We have to prove right hand side. This is right hand side. Okay. Oh, complete, complete. I'll discuss after this. All of you completed till here? Done? Now next part, students. Multiply this, all this, what you get, P into P is P square divided by Q square. Q square divided by denominator. Same. P square divided by P square plus Q square plus Q square divided by square root of P square plus Q square. Done? Now let us take LCM. See, when you take LCM, you get P square minus Q square. Remember this, it's a different concept. Just remember direct answer. Both are same here. Unmute and answer, students. Are both same? Just write P square plus Q. Ignore the square root. Remove the square root. Just write this. Next, denominator, what do you get? P square plus Q square divided by, what's the denominator, student? Oh, see, what is A by B divided by C by B? How do you rewrite this? When there are two denominators, A by B into, which one gets cancelled? Which one gets cancelled? B and B gets cancelled. Or can we directly reduce here B and B? In the same way here, which one gets reduced, students? Which one? P square and P square. What is left? What's the value left? Divided by P square plus Q square. Did we get the right hand side part? Okay. Only this question is tough. Other questions are simple. That's it. We are done. Tomorrow at 7:15. So whoever has done can leave. Yeah, whoever has done can leave. Log in at 7:15 tomorrow, students. Yes. Good night, all of you all. All of you can leave.